complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome Nexo to this listening class to hear what we learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great, Emma. I am ready to listen.
First, we will listen for vocabulary, numbers 0 to 10. Next, we will listen for grammar, verb to be, singular, I, you, he, she, it.
That sounds useful, and the real situations will help me understand.
Exactly. So listen for the key words and natural short forms as we start the main dialogues. At the bus stop. Excuse me, is this bus for the city center?
Yes, it is. The number is 5.
Great. Are you waiting for it too?
Yes, I am. It is late today.
Oh no. Is it very late?
Only 10 minutes. It is okay.
Thanks. I'm new here.
No problem. You're at the right stop.
Is the ticket $2?
Yes, it is $2.
Phone repair. Hi, my phone is not working.
Hello. Is it on?
No. It is off, and the screen is black.
Okay. Is it new?
No, it's 3 years old.
I see. The check is free today.
Great. Are you busy now?
No, I'm ready.
Thank you. I am not good with phones.
That's okay. It is a small problem.
Library card. Hello, I'm new in town.
Welcome. Are you looking for a library card?
Yes. Is it easy?
Yes, it is. You are welcome to apply here.
Good. I am a student.
Great. The card is free for students.
Do I need a photo?
No, but your ID is important.
Here it is.
Thank you. Your card is ready in 2 minutes.
Clothing store. Hi. Is this jacket in size 6?
Yes, it is here on the rack.
Thank you. It is for my brother.
Is he tall?
Yes, he is tall, but he is not very big.
Then, size 6 is good.
Is the fitting room free?
Yes, it is free now.
Great. The jacket is nice.
It is, and the color is popular.
Package pickup. Good morning. I'm here for a package.
Good morning. Is it under your name?
Yes, it is.
Is your code 4 digits?
Yes, it is 7294.
Thank you. The box is small.
Is it heavy?
No, it is not heavy.
Perfect. I am happy it is here.
Here you are.
Restaurant table. Good evening. I'm here for a table for 2.
Good evening. Is it a reservation?
Yes, It is.
Are you ready to sit now?
Yes, I am ready.
Good. Your table is by the window.
Is it quiet there?
Yes, it is quiet.
Great. My friend is late.
No problem. The table is yours for 1 hour.
Good work, Nexo, because these real dialogues show how simple English works in daily life.
I liked hearing the words in context.
Listening many times can make the verb to be and numbers feel more natural.
Yes, I am more confident now.
Wonderful. Goodbye, Nexo, and goodbye to everyone watching.